Hi, good morning. This is Meenakshi Unki. As we are in the lesson of statistics, let's continue the class. First method is what, that is mean method. Next is mode of group data. So first, what is mode? Mode is the change that occurs, which occurs in the among the observations most often, means repeated time, more number of times. So that is the mode. The value of the observation is having the maximum frequency is the mode. So in mode, one example they given. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. So the given number of wickets and number of matches. So in that they given 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. So different wickets they told. So in the order number of wickets, if you take 0, only one number of matches taken only 0 wickets, 1. Then bowler of 1 wicket and only once. And if we compare that one, in the maximum it is the number of wickets is 2 and maximum is 3. So this is the 3 times after 3 matches he has taken wickets, 2 wickets. So 3 times this is the more. So this will be the mode. So mode of this data will be 2 is 2. So we got the mode, the value is 2, number of wickets and number of matches. So we have to find the maximum frequency among the observations. Then this is by and group data. If they given in group data, how you have to find means formula is there for that one. So for the mode of group data, so the formula is m is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by f1 minus f0 minus f2, here 2f1 whole bracket into h. So the formula is like that. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. I will tell the terms what it is indicates. So L is the lower class of the limit. L is lower class limit. Then h is size of the interval. Then f1 is frequency of the model class. Then f0 is frequency of the class preceding the model class. Then f2 is frequency of class succeeding model class. So we, when they given in the form of group data, like that class intervals, then you have to find the L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 f2 into h. That is the value of mode. So mode in that this class is called as model class. Model class means which has the maximum number of frequency and showing that the class interval that correspond to class interval, that is the mode of the given data. So L is the lower class limit. So if we take 10 to 20, so 10 is the lower and 10 is the 20 is the upper limit. So you have to take the lower class. Like that you have to take 10 as the value. Then f1 means frequency of model class corresponding to this class interval. Frequency is given, so that will be the frequency of the f1. f0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class, and frequency of class succeeding the model class is f2, and h is the size of interval. Then based on this formula you have to find the given data. So example number 1. That is example number 5. Example number 5. That they given a survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. So total number of households is 20. So family size is they given 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Corresponding that value is 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. So this is the family size, and this is the number of families, This is the members of the family. So how much? Range means 1 to 3, so 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9 or 9 to 11. This is the number of families. So 7 families have the family members as 1 to 3 size. So we have to find the mode of this data. So for this one, so as we know the formula, that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L means lower class of the interval. First you have to see the which interval has the maximum frequency, 7, 8, 2 to 1. So 8 is the maximum frequency. So this will be the class interval. So if we compare this one, lower class means 3 to 5. 3 to 5 is lower limit is 3. So 3 plus F1 means frequency of the model class. This is the model class. So frequency of that model class is 8. 8 minus F4 is this before that preceding means before that. So this is 7 is there. So 3 plus 8 minus 7 divided by 2 into F1 is the frequency of the model class, that is 8 minus F0 is the preceding. So preceding means this one 7. Then minus F2 means succeeding. So 2. So you get the class interval is 3 to 5 by 2. So 2 intervals 2. So 3 plus this is 1 by 2 is 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 9. 7. 7 into 2. So this will be 3 plus 2 by 7. So 3 plus 7 2 divided by 7 is 7 2s are 14, 60 remains, then 7 8s are 56, 40, 7 5. So this will be 3.285. The mode of the data will be 3.285. So the number of family members in a household is 3.285. Observably, the mode of the data is 3.285. Then, same like the given example 6, the mass distribution of 30 students in a mathematics examination are given in table 13.3. So refer that 13 table. Then find the mode of this data. Also compare the and interpret the mode and the mean. So if we calculate that one, only we have to take the maximum. In that maximum is 40 to 55. So class interval is 40 to 55, and the value of the class size is 15. Then model class is 7. Then preceding is 3 and succeeding is 6. You can refer that one problem, you will get that one. Then you have to put the values and find the values. You will get this mode of the mass as 52. So the mode of the mass you will get 52, and if this same process if we are calculated in the mean method, that is 62 mass. So the difference of these two is this is 52 and this is 62. Like that 13.2 exercise. Only have to add the formula in this mode of the data. So first problem they given. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. So age they given, age, then number of patients. So this will be 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, then 35 to 45, then 45 to 55, then last 55 to 65. So this they given. So after this, number of patients are, this is upside is age, their ages values, and the number of patients is 6. So 5 to 15 years of age is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. They told you to find the mode and the mean of the data given below. So compare and interpret the two measures of the central tendency. That is, measures of central tendency means mean, mode and median. So you have to find the, they told the specific mode and the mean. So first I will find out the mode. So for mode, the formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So if you see L is there, so in this, which is the maximum? 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. So 23 is the maximum. So the class limit will be 35 to 45. L means lower limit. So in this 35 to 45, which is the lower limit? 35. So 35 plus F4 means frequency of that model class 23 minus F0 means previous set one. So 21 divided by 2 into F1 is 23, then minus F0 is 21, and F2 means succeeding of the model class. This is the model class. So 14 minus 14. So this will be 35. Upside 23 minus 1 is 21 is 2 divided by 2 into 23 is 46. 46 minus 21 and 14, it is 35. So it will give 35 plus 2 divided by 11. So this will be approximately 35, then 2 by 11, then 2 by 11 is 35 plus 2 by 11 is 11, 1s are 11, so it will 20 is there, 20 minus 11 is 90, 90 means 11 8, so 0.18, this will be 35.18. Okay, I left one, okay. Here H I left. So H is, class interval is 10. This is 10. So this is 10 means upside also 10. So what is here 20. So 11. This will be 11 by 20 is 20 by 11 is 11. 11 ones are 11. Then 11 is 90. So 11 8s are. So 35 plus 1.8. This will be 36.8. So you got the answer 36.8. 36.8 is the correct answer. Then you have to find the mean. So mean. So for the mean we have to take table like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. So I will take we have the frequencies. This is are the frequencies. Then I will take midpoint xi. So xi for this one, first one 5 to 15 is there. 15 plus 5 20. 22 by is 10. So next 15 to 25. 40 means 20. Then 25 to 35. This is 40. This is 25 and 35. 60. 60 means 30. Then 35 to 45. 40, 70, 80, 40. Then 50 and 40. 100. This is 50. And this is 65, 55. 120. 120 means 60. So you got the values. Xi midpoint wise as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But the frequency is the 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5 is that. But this is in the terms of 0. So, and total is the 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 21, 38. 38, 41, 61, 66 and 70, 80. So 80 is the that is the total value of the frequencies. So for this one I will take this one Fi Xi. Fi Xi. This will be 10 into 6, 60. 11 into 10, 20, so 220. Then 21 into 3, 630. 40 into 23, so 23 4s are 92, so 920. Then 14 into 5, 700. Then 5 into 6, 300. So you got the Fi. You can do the step division method also, because here 10, 20, 30 is there. So I will take 40 as the 30 as the midpoint of the assumed mean. Then I will find the Fi. So like that method also fun. But here see all in the tens values. So I taken directly multiply the values with this frequencies. Then I got the Fi Xi. So total we have to find out sigma Fi Xi divided by sigma Fi into H plus A. So assumed mean here, okay. No, this is first method, no direct method, no assignment here. So directly I taken the sigma fxi. So if you add this one, 0, 6 plus 2, 8, 11, 13, 1 carry, 6, 2 plus 8, 9, 18, 25, 28. So 2830 divided by, this is, total is 21, 32, 38, 38, 52, 55, 75, 65, so 80. So 80 this one. So you got the 80. So if you do the 2830 by 8, 8 these are 24, 24, 43, 8 5s are 40, 30. So 8 these are 24. So you got the 35.3. So mean value will be, so 35.3. So if you want to take another decimal number, you can take 3 means 30. If this is 60, 8 7. So you got the 35.37. The answer is 35.37. We can take 35.38 like that approximately. So 35.37. So I will directly taken this one 6 and 10 and 11 into this one into this one. I got the values in terms of 10. So I taken this method. If not, it is not in the terms of 10 means don't do this method. We have to take then UI, that on step deviation method, because 10, 20, 30 we can easily minus by the assuming the mean as 30. So you can do the calculation easy. So but if it is in the terms of 10, directly you can take the values and add the time 2830. This is also in the terms of 80 values. So 88. So 0 cancel, 8 you have to divide, directly you get the 34.37. So mean for this one and mode for this one. So mode is 36.8 and mean is 35.37. Then second one. Second one they given. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetimes in hours of 225 electrical components. So the given frequency of the electrical components in the observed lifetimes in hours. So lifetime hours is 0 to 20 lifetimes. So lifetimes and frequency. So the given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, and 60 to 80, 80 to 100, and 100 to 120. So 100 to 120. Frequencies are 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, and 29. So the following data gives the information of the observed lifetimes and in hours and the electrical components. So 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. So you have to determine the modal lifetimes of the components. So directly we can take the modal loss. See here 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, and 80 to 100, and 100 to 120. The maximum value, if you compare this one, 61 is the maximum. Then this is the 61. So 61 is the modal class. So formula is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So L is lower class till that limit. So you have the maximum is the frequency 61. So this is the class interval of that lifetime hours. So 60 to 80. Lower limit in this is 60. So 60 plus F1 is this one 61 minus F0 is previous one, that is 52. Then divided by 2 into 61 minus F0 means 52. Then minus succeeding, F2 means succeeding, that is 38. So 38 into class interval is 20. So 20. So this will be 60 plus 61 minus 52 is 9 divided by 2 into 61 you have to do. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 122 minus 2 plus 8, 0, 1 carry 9. So 90. This into 20. So this will give you 60 plus 9 into 20. Then divided by 120 minus 122 minus the 90 is 32. So 32. So if you see the tables, so both side cancelling means 4 only we can take. 4 8 are 4 5 are. So this will give 60 plus 45 by 8. So 45 by 8 we can write as 8 5 are 40. So 50 remains. 8 50 means 8 is a 48. 20 remains. 8 to the 16. So 5.62. 40 means 5.625. So the answer will be 65.625. So we check the answer. Okay. This is 9 and this is 20 is the class interval, that is h, and then 2f1 minus f1 f0 minus f2. F2 means such in the that class interval, that is 38. This is 2. These two values. This is f1 and this is f2. This is f0. This is f2 and this is model class f1. So you got the 65.625. Then third one. The given third one. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So first we should find out the mode. So the question is, the following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families. So 200 families. So this values. So this values is the number of families, and upside is monthly expenditure, monthly household expenditure. So this is the number of families. So we only change the values. So for this one, the given values as 1002, 1500. Next 1500 to 2000. Then 2000 to 2500. 2000 to 2500. That's 2500 to 3000. Then 3000 to 3500. Then 3500 to 4000. Then 4000 to 4500. Then last one 4500 to 5000. So these are the values they given. So next, corresponding values of the number of families. So number of families 24, then 40, then 33, then 28, then 30, then 22, then 16 and 7. So 8 are 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is that? 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16, 7. So you have to find the mode of the monthly expenditure of that family. So formula is same only. Only have to change the values. So here see 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16. So 40 is the maximum. So the model class will be 1500 to 2000. So lower limit is 1500. So 1500 plus f1 means this one 40 minus f0 means 24 into h is 500 is there. 500 divided by 2f1. 2 into 40 minus 24 minus this is preceding and this is succeeding. So 33. So this will give you 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is 16. 16 into 500 divided by 500 is the size of the interval. The between of that 1000 to 1500 is 500. Then this is 42 to the 80 minus 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 3 5, 57. So minus sign is there. So I will add this 2 and subtract it from the 80. So we will got the 1500 plus 16 into 5 is 800. 16 into 5 is 80. So 8000 divided by 80 minus 57 is 23. So you will get the 1500. So you have to divide by 8000 divided by 23. So if you find out 23 2s are 46, 23 3s are 69. So 23 3s are 69. So 69 means 11, 110. 23 4s are 92. So because 23 5s is 95. So it will be 115. More will be there. So 23 4s are 92. So 92 means this one. So we'll do here 8000 divided by 23. 23 3s are 69. So 1 remains there, 0. Then 11, then 10, 23 4s are 92. So 8 remains. Then 11 minus 10 1. This is 0. 18 180. So 23. If you take 23 8s are 23 8s are 8 3s are 4. So it will be more. So you can take 7. 23 7s are 7 3s are 1. 2 carry 14 and 16 161. This will be 9. And this is 1, so it will be 19. So 347. So if we add this one, 1500 plus 347 is 1847. So if you want, you can take the next decimal values. I'll take 1 point. So 190. So 23 8s are 23 8s are. So this will be 347.8 means 1847.8. So 23 8s will be 8 is 4, then 2 carry 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 184. This will give you 6. So remainder is 6. So 23. First I taken the which is the maximum frequency. In this maximum frequency is 40. So corresponding to that class interval is 1500 to 2000. But you have to take lower limit. So 1500 we have taken. Then f1 minus f0. F1 is this one. F1 this is a model class and F1 will be this only 40. Then minus F0 means preceding 24. Then into H means interval is 500. Then 2 into F1 means 40 minus 24 minus 33. So first you have to subtract this one. 16 we got 500 divided by 80 minus 4 2 is 80. So 80 minus 2 you have to add this one. So 3 plus 4 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. You will get the minus 57. So minus 57 is nothing but 23. Then you divide it 8000 by 23. You will get the 347.8. So 1500 plus 347.8 is 1847.8. So this one you try to do this one in mean method. Try to do this mean method. Mean method also you can try because this is more value, no? So for your practice I am giving. So try to this doing the mean method also. This problem only this problem. The answer will be the answer will get 2662. Approximately 2662. Or point you can take 266 to answer will come 2662. So So if you want to do the mean method, see the range, it is 500. So we can't do this one in the first method, because this is not in terms of values of 10 values, because 40 30 only 10 values. This is in the 33 28. Then we have to take SI value, so it will be more number. So we can't multiply it with SI. So we can do the step deviation method. In that we can assume that value in the middle we will get 2750. So that 2750 as the assumed mean. Then you have to calculate the UI after FI and UI. So summation of that you will get the in the terms of plus or minus values. Then you have to apply the formula A plus sigma FI UI divided by sigma Fi into H. Then A is the assumed mean. Then you get the answer as 2662. So when there is more number of larger numbers, you have to take the step deviation method. Next one, fourth one. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. So they given 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Like that, they given number of students for one teacher. The number of students will be approximately 15 to 20. So 15 to 20, how many states? 3 states. Like that, we have to interpret the data. Then we have to find out the mode. So mode means this formula will be same. Only you have to change the values. So here they given 15 to 20. So they given number of students per teacher, then number of states. So they given value, if you see the values, they given 15 to 20, 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, then 50 to 55, and 45 to 50, and 50 to 55. 50 to 55. Then they given values 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. So number of students per teacher, this one, number of students per teacher. So for one teacher, the number of students will be 15, 20. Like that, how many states? 3 states. Then 20, 25 students for one teacher. How many states? 8 states. So 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. In this one, which is the maximum? 3, 8, 9, 10 is the maximum. This will be model class. This will be F1 and this will be F2, because the preceding frequency will be the preceding of the class will be F1 and succeeding will be F2, and middle is that mid frequency of the model class. Then this is the model class, and this model class means lower limit will be 30. So and H means interval. Interval is 25 is there, so you have to take 5. Then if you calculate this one, L means here this one model class, so 30 plus F1 is 10 minus F0 is 9 divided by 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 into 5. So you will get 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1. Then 2 into 10 is 20. 20 minus 9 is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. So 8 into 5. So you will get 30 plus 5 by 8. 30 plus 5 by 8 is nothing but 8. So you can't take 0, so 0.8 sevens are 56, 8 6 are 48. So you can take 8 6 are 48. Then 48 means 2 remains 20, 8 2s are 16, 4 remains 5. So this will be 30.625. So 5 by 8. So 5 by 2 do means 8 6 are 48. Then 2 remains 20, 8 2 is 16, 40 remains 5. So 0.625, you get the 30.625. So you got the mode of the class interval is 30.625. So they told you to do the mean also. If you, it's easy only, you can try that also. But values are in the simple range numbers. But if you take the middle point values, it is in the 0.5 values. So you have to do this also by step deviation method. That is only easy because it will be lengthy process. Then fifth and sixth also you only try. Fifth and sixth. Only I will tell you the hint how to do. It is same only. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top elements of the world in one day international cricket matches. Means runs scored, the values they given 3000 to 4000. Number of batsmen, so 4 batsmen scored under the value 3000 to 4000. So likewise you have to take, you will get the which is the maximum here, 18 is the maximum. So you will get the class interval as 1000 and lower limit as 4000 because highest value is 18. So like that you can find the putting the formula you can get the answer. Only find the mode of the data. Then last one also, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarize it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So number of cars they given 0 to 10 cars, then 10 to 20 cars, like that. Frequency they given 7, 14, 13, 20, 12, 20, 11, 15, 18. You have to find the mode of the data. So number of cars passing through a spot on a road of 100 periods. So this frequency value is 100. So 14 plus 7, 21, 44, 56, 76, 87, 77, then 92, then 100. So total is 100 only. So 100 periods, then each of 3 minutes. So you have to find out the mode of this data means same. You have to put the formula and you have to take the maximum frequency value and that corresponding class interval. Then you have to put and find the values. So these are fifth and sixth. We only do it. So this is based on mode of group data. Then I will after this then median is there. So median I will continue in the next class. So only in this part is only you have to add the formula, that is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. In this the terms of the indication is H is class interval, then size class size of the interval, then F1 means frequency of the model class, and L means lower limit of that corresponding maximum frequency of the model class. Then F1 is the preceding, so the frequency preceding of the model class, and F2 is the succeeding of the model class. Then you will get the if you put the values, then you will get the answer. So please subscribe to the channel who are seeing the first time. See and like it. If you like it, share it to others. So thank you.